Boy, was the sun shining today. I was laying out a little bit earlier at the pool. Not a cloud in the sky. At least I didn't see any.
No, it was absolutely a picture perfect day here in Lexington. There was plenty of sunshine. It was a little bit warm, but the humidity certainly was tamped down today, making it feel pretty great despite the high temperatures that were in the lower 90s this afternoon. We're still sitting at 91 in Lexington. Here's a beautiful shot of downtown from our St. Joseph Health WeatherBug camera atop the 21C Museum Hotel. Plenty of true blue sky, maybe just some high cirrus clouds. That's about it. Even as we're moving into the evening hours here across the bluegrass. And speaking of that humidity, dew points were tamped down yesterday following some strong storms we saw back on Thursday. Dew points right now running right around the 60-degree mark for areas along and north of I-64 at this point. Meanwhile, as you work your way south, that's where the air is still a little bit soupy. And eventually those steamy conditions will begin to work their way back northward as we go through the end of the weekend. So tomorrow it's going to start to feel a little bit sticky once again. Meanwhile, that tropical humidity will return by Monday as we begin to see more of that moisture lifting in. So the combination of the heat with high temperatures again back near 90 tomorrow, plus the added humidity, it's going to make it feel more like the low to mid 90s as we round out the weekend. All in all, tomorrow looks to be pretty much a carbon copy of today, maybe just with a few more clouds. Now, in the MaxTrack Live Doppler, with that dry air in place for many of us, nothing falling across the area. But as we work our way closer to the Tennessee state line, this is near an old boundary that has stalled out across Tennessee. It has sparked off a handful of thunder showers. In fact, a strong thunderstorm continues to reside in southern Wayne County, producing some torrential rain, gusty winds, even some pea-sized hail, along with that intense lightning. That storm is trying to push its way back through the south. Other than that, it has been fairly quiet up to our north. Meanwhile, down to the south, that's where things are a lot busier. Of course, earlier today, Barry made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane, but since coming ashore, it has weakened back to a tropical storm. Sustained winds of 65 miles per hour right now, as the center of the storm sits about 20 miles to the southwest of Lafayette, Louisiana. Now, Barry is going to be slowly moving parallel to the Mississippi River as we round out the weekend. So still, there is a heavy rain and flooding threat across sections of Louisiana into Mississippi. Eventually, Arkansas and western Tennessee will be dealing with that heavy rain from Barry. The storm will be approaching the Missouri state line as we head into early next week. And eventually, we will be seeing an uptick in shower and thunderstorm chances for us. We're going to keep them down pretty low as we head into the start of the upcoming work week, but then gradually into Tuesday afternoon, scattered thunderstorms will be possible. Wednesday is going to be the day that the center of the remnants of Barry will be moving directly through the bluegrass, so showers and thunderstorms will be more likely. Unfortunately, that is coinciding with the Pro-Am for the Barbasol Championship at Champions of Keene Trace. But tonight we're looking good, so if you have dinner plans, maybe enjoy them out on the patio as we're going to stay pretty comfortable this evening. It does get muggier overnight with lows in the mid 60s under mostly clear skies. Your Sunday will be steamier, highs in the lower 90s, feeling more like the mid 90s into the afternoon under sunny to partly cloudy skies. And we also can't rule out some pop-up thunderstorms, especially into the late stages of the day. Monday, very similar. Scattered thunderstorms return on Tuesday. Again, Wednesday is the day that the remnants of Barry will be moving in, bringing us the potential for thunderstorms and heavy rain. Storm chances continue to back off through the remainder of the Barbasol Championship, and we'll replace those storm chances with some intense heat through next weekend. We'll have more LEX 18 news after this.